iPad Pro 2018 could take cues from iPhone X to bring this popular feature to the tablet. Apple's iPad Pro 2018 could take huge cues from iPhone X to bring an incredibly popular iOS feature to the tablet. The iOS 1.2 public beta is out right now, with the full version set to be released to everyone later this year, and the software is already hinting at a potential overhaul for iPad. Users with an iOS 1.2 beta installed on their iPad are able to seamlessly navigate the tablet using gestures in a similar vein to the iPhone X. Swiping down on the top right of the screen will bring down the control center, and swiping up from the bottom will open a multitasking window. This hints a huge redesign could be on the cards for the iPad Pro 2018, where the home button is removed, bezels are reduced, and a Face ID camera is introduced. Speculation around the addition of a new camera system was heightened when Steve Troughton-Smith, an iOS app developer, recently tweeted out a picture of AvatarKit on the iPad, showcasing a row of Animoji on the much larger tablet display. Animoji is the popular software that mimics the facial expressions of the user in a character of their choosing. The developer cleverly indicated the new feature would require a new iPad with Face ID technology, that would also allow a user to unlock the device seamlessly. Mr. Troughton-Smith tweeted, "New in iOS 12, AvatarKit comes to iPad. Still requires a TrueDepth camera to do face tracking, though, i.e. an iPad with Face ID." Guilherme Rambo, another iOS developer, posted a screen-captured video of an iPad in the Face ID capture interface. The menus to set up Face ID have been designed to fit the larger screen of the iPad and add further fuel to rumors of an iPad with a new front-facing camera system. Mr. Rambo said, "The Face ID setup UI is finally working on iPad." iOS 1.2 also allows multiple users to save their face and unlock a device, hinting at a potential iPad iteration of the unlocking software. Such a feature would suit the iPad, as many owners of the tablet share them between other family members and friends. Apple is expected to announce a new set of iPads alongside a new iPhone in September, the same month iOS 1.2 is set for its full debut.